It's about bringing the business to understand the data, the business problem, and understand, can we afford what the AI opportunity and its ROI is going to cost if we're going to make these investments. When we sit down with customers, more often than not, we're going to have hey, listen, we already have a roadmap. We just put it together last week. And I can guarantee 100% of those, when given the opportunity to take a look at this roadmap, are really just glorified wish lists. It's a list of technologies or things that they've seen in the Gartner hype cycle saying, we need to do AI, we need Gen AI, we need self-service, we need visualizations. It's not a roadmap. It's unattainable things that our customers are trying to strive for. So we want to be able to build that strategy so that way we start with business and business use cases, the why. What is the data that's necessary to support that? How do we move the needle? If we have the data and we apply AI and we have a signal, do we understand it? Is it defensible? Do we know why we're taking action? All those things are important. And then we want to make sure that the organization's aligned so that way that the strategy builds in adoption. So if we build an ROI model that's great, but nobody uses it, do you know what the ROI in that is? It's zero.